Hello, everybody, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hello, everybody, and how are you? How are you today? I see Sarah. How are you? How are you? How are you? I see Adam, Leanne, and Ian. How are you? How are you today? I see Zaina and Isra. How are you? How are you? I see Meron. How are you? How are you today? I am fine, thank you. I have a little story that I need to use the board for. You ready to hear it? It's called Here, Kitty Kitty, and it starts like this. Here is Timmy's house. Timmy's house has two rooms. One, two, and a chimney and a window in each room. Chimney and a chimney and a window and a window. Growing outside the door is tall grass. Ooh, look at that tall grass. Here's his friend Susie's house. It's made with a letter S. Oh, here's his friend Susie's house, made with a letter S. One day, Timmy went to Susie's house to borrow some milk. Susie took him down in the basement to get the milk. They slipped and spilled the milk, so they went back up and down the basement and got some more. Timmy took a short cut home, and he went down a valley and he went up a hill, and then he went down a valley and back up a hill, and came back home and gave his milk to a special pet when he got home. Can you guess what special pet he gave his milk to? Did you say cat? Very good, a cat. C A T, cat. Very good. And that was a cute little story about Timmy's cat. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Bye, everyone.